How to fix Reddit application not loading. To fix the Reddit application not loading error, you simply have to go ahead and first of all, force close the application from running it. Now swipe upwards from the bottom of your screen and remove it from the background and as well as the foreground. Once you remove the process, you simply have to go ahead and open your device's app gallery or app drawer. Locate the Reddit application icon, long press it. Tap the I option to access the app info panel. Now scroll down to the storage and cache. From here, you simply have to go ahead and tap on this clear cache option to remove all sorts of corrupted files downloaded within the application. Now try to relaunch and your problem should be fixed. Or if you are still having problem, you simply have to uninstall the application and reinstall it and your problem will finally be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.